In this video, we're going to be covering what is Cosmos and their coin Atom. We will dive into the technology behind the project and what differs it from other coins in the crypto space. The Cosmos network is a decentralized ecosystem of independent blockchains which can scale and connect to one another. This can work for blockchains which are built on Cosmos, but also external blockchains such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. This is done by something called a peg zone. Cosmos has named themselves the Internet of Blockchains, or IOB for short. This is explained by co-founder Jay Kwon in this statement. Each individual blockchain maintains control of its own governance but is interoperable with other blockchains on the network. Blockchains that do not utilize BFT algorithm can be connected to the network via adapter blockchains. Cosmos was not designed for one particular care, but to be adaptable to suit many different cases. The network is a dual-level blockchain ecosystem which has a native token which is called Atom to power its transactions. The first layer packages the network and the consensus layers of the blockchain into a generic engine, meaning developers can focus on the application development instead of the protocol. This first layer is called Tendermint BFT, which stands for Byte-Time Fault Tolerance. The second layer is the application layer, where the Cosmos SDK, short for Software Development Kit, is used to allow individuals to create their own blockchains. This layer has the ability to translate many different programming languages, such as JavaScript and C++, into a language which Cosmos can understand. Instead of using dozens of bridges to connect all of these blockchains together, the Cosmos network uses hubs, which are basically blockchains that act as single point that thousands of blockchains can connect together for interoperability with other connected chains. Cosmos solves the scalability problem which so many projects are struggling with at the moment. The Tendermint BFT can handle up to 1,000 transactions per second. This is amazing when compared to PayPal's 193 transactions and Bitcoin's 7. Tendermint is also a generic consensus mechanism, which means any developer working on the Cosmos can just focus on building their applications instead. This is much more efficient. The peg zone is essentially a blockchain which tracks the state of another blockchain. The peg zone itself has a fast finality and is therefore compatible with IBC. Its role is to establish finality for the blockchain it bridges. Cosmos also has the ability to interlink proof of work and proof of stake blockchains. Next, we're going to have a look at Atom and the tokenomics. However, before we dive into this, please like this video and subscribe if you've enjoyed it so far, as it really helps the channel grow. So, Atom is a proof of stake coin, meaning it can delegate tokens into pools and earn interest on your holdings. This is called staking. Staking locks up your Atom and has a cooling off period of 21 days. Atom released a statement that they aim for about 80% of the Atom in circulation to be staked. People can earn money from the staking by earning a percentage of people's fees when interacting with the network. There is currently about 276 million atoms in circulation with a 7% inflation rate. There were 2 private sales held in January 2017 for Atom, followed by a public sale in April of that year. This raised a total of $16 million, which worked out at about 10 cents per atom. For the token distribution, 80% of the token was allocated to investors, and the remaining 20% was split between 2 different companies. These were All in Bits and the Interchain Foundation. 2% of the new atoms is allocated each year for the community pool. The more activity on the Cosmos network means that there are more fees to get distributed for each of those stakers. Atom is also a governance token, which means holders of the token can submit proposals to the developers and vote on the chain, allowing the hub to improve over time and change its parameters. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, but more importantly, you learned something. If you have enjoyed it, please leave a like, subscribe and comment what you'd like me to do in the next video.